Hey guys, Yamaha R1 here today. It's raining. It's St. Patrick's Day in the North Bay, and I thought I'd put in a cell phone holder on the R1. That way I have some navigation when I'm riding around. So first things first, gotta figure out how to get this all put in and installed, and we'll do step by step the whole way. Step one, we got to find out how far down this needs to go. Shove it in until it's nice and tight. Draw a line right where it goes around the top. Measure down an inch, make another line, and that's what we need to cut out. The next step is to figure out which one of these stopper nuts is the right one, and for my R1 it looks like the second to the last. This one's just a little too big and doesn't quite fit in there. So let's get this cleaned up. Alright, now we have a 3mm, that's what came with the screw that came with this, a washer, that 1-inch piece we cut out, that plastic nut, and the actual locking nut that goes in the bottom there. Instructions say to tighten this just slightly. Alright, so it was the first one, the smallest one. Next step is to install these pieces. There we go. Now it's time to put the charger in. Alright, next is the charger for the cell phone. Got a USB charger here. Uses the same connection as like a battery tender, because these do draw power when they are plugged in, so kind of nice to remember if the bike's going to be sitting for a little while or what have you to disconnect that. So I've got to figure out where I'm going to mount this and how I'm going to run these wires. I'm thinking I'm going to have this down here, like that, out of the way. Run the wires down through here, up around, and then it's a simple Attaching the positive to the positive and the negative to the negative. Alright, well, 3M double stick tape, the actual USB right there. Made sure that there was slack in the line to be able to connect and disconnect. And then what I've done is run it like this, zip tying it to make sure it stays out of the way of the fan blade. Follows the rest of these wires, factory wires, around through here, up through the frame, through the engine bay, under the seal for the tank. This is actually the power, same way I have my power commander routed, through here and into the battery. There you go. You can see it's charging up there. I can actually spin it this way or this way. Just thought maybe this way. Haven't gone out and ride it yet, but thought that way would make it just a little easier for me to see the instruments. But it doesn't matter. It can go either way. Just got to coil this up. She's good to go. There you have it. If you guys have any questions or anything specific that you want to know about installing this RAM cell phone mount on an R1, leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the bell and click subscribe.